Hello and welcome to WRTC 351 Visual Rhetoric Online. My name is Pavel Zemlensky and I will be your instructor for this course, as you know. And in this video I'd like to give you a brief outline of the class and also explain some of the main criteria for success in this class. Now, if you've taken online classes before, you probably know how they work. They all work very similarly. And the similarity is in that you're expected to be participating online, posting reading responses, perhaps communicating with your classmates and with your teacher in synchronous sessions at a given time, and do other things like that. If you have not taken an online class before, you may be wondering what exactly this beast is and how to navigate it. So my main purpose in this video is to explain what we'll be doing in this class to you and hopefully answer some questions that you may have. This class is what they call an asynchronous class, which means that we will only be doing stuff on the website asynchronously, following deadlines, but we will not actually be meeting in real time to chat or to discuss things. That said, if you have any questions at any time, I will be accessible by email or through other means. If you need to get in touch with me, please let me know. But essentially what happens is you will have a deadline like you would in any face-to-face class to complete certain assignments. And if you look at the calendar, the way I've structured the class is things will be due Tuesdays and Thursdays at midnight, at the end of the day. So, for instance, if you have a reading response assignment and it says it's due on a Tuesday at midnight, it means at the end of that Tuesday. And the same thing goes for Thursdays. Now, the reason I've done it this way is I'm trying to create a sort of a very similar environment, a very predictable environment, like you would have in a face-to-face class, where you know that things are coming up on certain days, week after week after week, and that helps us get into the rhythm of this online class. The main thing about online learning, if you have not taken online classes, is being regularly there. Participating in the class discussions through forum posts, commenting on your classmates' responses, communicating not just with the instructor but also with other classmates, because such regular communication will give you a sense of community, a sense of belonging. One criticism of online classes that people often have is that it's easy to get lost, it's easy to feel like you've been abandoned by the group, and so to avoid that, we all need to constantly stay in touch with one another and make sure that we don't feel separated from the rest of the group. And there are plenty of provisions in the syllabus and the assignments from my side to make that happen. Alright, now there is a lot more I can say about sort of the class management issues, and I will be answering your questions, I hope, as they come in. If something is not clear, please let me know. But I wanted just to give you a little preview of the subject matter of the class. Now, you signed up for this class called Visual Rhetoric, probably, already interested in the persuasive and communicative power of images. Clearly, we live in a visual culture, and visual communication, visual messages are extremely important for not only professional and academic matters, but also for matters of civic engagement, how our society functions, how people consume information, process information, and use information. So, the main subject matter of this class is the exploration of the persuasive and communicative power of visual images, both still photos and videos and other visual devices, visual persuasive and communication devices. So that's our main focus. I would like you to use your previous experiences with visuals and how visual information works for you as much as possible. But I'd also like to push you a little bit further than that and to explore some new ideas, some new ways that other people have talked about the role of visuals and how visuals work. So, as in every other class, we'll be reading some chapters, we'll be reading a book, we'll be reading some other things online that I will provide, and we'll be writing, we'll be talking, we'll be examining separate images, sets of images. Importantly also, you will be asked to take some pictures of your own and use those pictures in your projects. You will create a photo essay with captions. You will create an expanded photo and text work that combines your own photos with some textual explanations. So it should be a fun class. I will wrap up with this introduction. Again, welcome to the class, and I hope you have a good time. I hope you learn a lot. If you need to get in touch with me, my email is in the syllabus. please let me know. And also, if you have any questions, there's a Q&A forum where you can post questions about the class, about anything related to it. Again, welcome. I look forward to working with you, and have a great class. Talk to you all soon.